Hey guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit USDT in Exness from Binance. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open your Binance app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, just leave it for a moment because we'll come back to it shortly. Now open the Exness app where you want to receive the funds. When the app opens, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, look for the details section and tap on it. After that, you should see the deposit option. Go ahead and select deposit, and the app will show you different deposit methods available on the platform. From the list of options, choose Binance Pay. This option allows you to move funds directly from your Binance account into the Exnet platform. Once you tap on Binance Pay, you'll need to enter the amount you want to deposit. Type the amount into the field and then tap Continue. After entering the amount, the app will show you a confirmation screen. Double-check the amount to make sure everything is correct, and then tap the Confirm button. As soon as you do that, your phone should automatically redirect you to the Binance app if you are logged in on the same device. Inside Binance, you'll now see the payment confirmation screen. It will display the exact amount you're about to send. Confirm payment to proceed. At this point, Binance will ask for your security verification, which could be a code, fingerprint, or authentication confirmation, depending on your account settings. Once you complete the verification, the transfer will be processed. You should see a message saying that the payment was successful. Now go back to the Exness app and refresh the dashboard. Usually, it takes around 5 to 10 minutes for the funds to appear in your account. After the refresh, your deposited amount should show up in your balance. And that's basically how you can deposit USDT into Exness from Binance. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll get back as soon as I can.